Hi there, welcome back to Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about Claspo, which is basically a pop-up builder for businesses. Okay, so first of all, before even jumping on the homepage, they've got a really good demonstration of their own software. And so when you click on when you visit the page, you'll be shown a game that you can basically play, right? And it is really good. And it shows how it works. Okay. But other than that, demonstration of their own software, which is really impressive, they have a very clear headline that clearly states what they do. They make pop-ups that convert a lead to revenue. Okay. It says that it's designed to grow email lists, generate leads, and increase your sales. So this is a very clear headline, and therefore the prospect could have a very clear understanding of what the software does for them. Um, Also, the good thing that they have very close to the top of the page is a very strong signal of credibility in terms of the 100,000 plus active websites where they have been installed, and 99.9% uptime, and the 4.9% average rating, and 5.9 average rating out of 5, and 5 out of 5 average rating, which is really good on G2 and Capterra respectively, right? Again, really good for credibility. And here they clearly state how you can basically use it for most goals that you might have, like for example, getting an email or a lead. Okay, use it to increase sales by clearly showing some urgency in the pop-ups and also get feedback. So you can basically do a lot of stuff with these things, right? Even show social proof. So this is really good. But it clearly states that you can use it for many things. Right? And you can see how you can customize it as well. So it's a very powerful platform. And you can also connect it with the many integrations that you might be using, which is really good. Here, even more social proof in terms of where they've been featured. They've been featured in Forbes, Entrepreneur, Practical E-commerce, and stuff like this, which is really important to reinforce the positive aspect that they've got in the prospects' minds. And the beautiful thing as well here is that they've got a lot of case studies where they've been able to triple the click-through rate of this brand, or increase the emails of this brand as well. So this is really good in terms of credibility. And once again, they've got more testimonials, and these are very important. Once again, it's good because it shows the rating and the platform where it's from, and also um, the actual title and the name of the person. I guess it might be helpful to actually add um, the actual company that they work for, but they've done it here anyway with this more in-depth testimonials, more internal ones. And then what they do well here as well is that they've got some FAQs at the bottom of the homepage. These are really important in order to handle any objections that a prospect might have in their minds before making the purchasing decision. Okay, and it is really good. It goes very in depth about many questions that somebody might have. And you clearly state that you can also use it to do A/B testing, which is really good. So it's a really good software, to be honest. Again, more credibility with the ratings, and yeah, I mean, I don't have much to basically comment on because they've done a lot of the things right in terms of conversion. I guess if I might go and check the pricing, if the quote pricing page, and the beautiful thing here they've got a free trial that you can use, and also it clearly states what the price would be at each incremental website's monthly page views, right? So this is really good in terms of credibility of transparency. And you can also compare each plan that you need. The good thing here that they do once again is adding more testimonials clear close to the pricing page, and it's done on purpose to reinforce into the prospects' minds that they're making a good decision by choosing to buy, basically. And again, they get more frequently asked questions here. And so we could try and click on the start free forever to see um, the actual sign up page. And this is just the sign up page, which it looks really nice. I guess since they've got a lot of free space here, it might have been helpful to add even more testimonials right on the right hand side because there's nothing on there, so it might have been helpful. But it looks nice either way. That's the only thing I could say. But other than that, I think it's a great website. I'm sure it's converting at a very high percentage, and this therefore takes us to the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. And if you happen to be a B2B SaaS founder who would like to increase their conversions from free trials to paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description to book a call with me. Other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.